morning everyone. I am Ajay Kumar, political science teacher of the school. I am a proud partner of the school and I feel very proud to be a part of this school. Today I am going to speak on one of the very important topics, that is environment. We all know that environment is very important, and environment is completely related with population. If we talk about population in 1800, our population of the entire country was around 100 crore. In 1900 century it had been 300 crore, and in last one century it has been 700 crore. So initially population was not a problem, but after 1960 all the countries, they thought that yes, because of the population we are facing pollution, and first time all the agencies, United Nations Environment Program UNEP, they held a meeting at Rio de Janeiro in 1992. That is called Rio meeting, and that is also called Rio Summit. In that meeting around 170 countries they took part, and in that meeting there were two type of group. First it was first world countries, almost all the western countries, and second was third world countries, all the Asian countries. So first world countries, they were concerned about depletion of ozone layer, they were concerned about the environment and concerned about global warming, and the third world countries, they were concerned about economical development. They thought that economical development cannot be possible if they just cut down the gases and they cut down the industrial growth. So that is why all the countries, they came upon one consensus that was simply sustainable development. They thought that sustainable development is the only way that can be applicable and that can reduce greenhouse gas effects. And according to the sustainable development, the countries, they can go for the development, but they will have to take care of the environment and the pollution as well. Then the second meeting was held in 1997, that was Kyoto meeting. It was held in Japan. So ultimately in that meeting it was decided that there would be a target for each and every country for cutting down greenhouse gases. If I talk about India, India is having very serious problem, that is stubble burning. Generally in month of October it starts. If I talk about this year, on 7th of October, that air quality index it was 125 in Delhi, but on 13th of October it has reached up to 171. Air quality index has been 171, but after Diwali you will find 400 and 400 plus. So the main reason is stubble burning. Very few people, they know about stubble burning. Generally Haryana, Rajasthan and Western UP, people, they grow paddy, and after paddy some stubble remains left, and they do not have any, they get only 54 days for preparation for the Rabi crop, and that time they have to burn all the stubble. So I would like to just suggest some suggestion for the stubble burning. Stubble burning has some, we'll have to take some punitive measures to control stubble burning. Stubble burning can only be controlled by having some steps taken by the government. First of all, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, that has developed a decomposer, and decomposer can decompose all the residuals including stubble also. Second, all the farmers should be promoted to go for basmati paddy, and basmati paddy and its remains and stubble is good for the fodder. Then that can be used for the fodder for the animals as well. And third, even one institute of Chennai, they are also focusing on bio-CNG using stubble. And the fourth and the last, I would say that the paper mill and the sugar mill, they also set up some boilers near to these stubble so that stubble can be used as a fuel. So government is, I must say that government is using impractical ideas, giving 100 rupees incentive per quintal to the farmers, not burning stubble. So stubble burning is not, it's a problem of India, but in other countries these problems are very common, right? There are various problems also. And environment, we cannot hold our environment by one country. Environment cannot have any barrier and cannot have any boundary. Environment is for all, and all the countries will have to have collective efforts to control this environment. So I must say that all the countries will again have a meeting, and even very soon our Prime Minister is going to have a meeting with all the countries to control environment. Thank you and have a nice day.